guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. I haven't made a video in a long time, should I say. And also, I'm making a video here on a Hunger Games. Not many people again, but it's a Hunger Games for you guys, so it's not about me, it's about you. Ooh, we're getting some good stuff. Okay. Splash potion of slowness. That could help me, but not much. Because usually I'm really bad with splash potions. This is kind of a replica of Stampy's, the world that Stampy did Hunger Games on. The garden one. I'm not sure, but I've got an enchanted golden apple. Wait, I just looted that chest. So I'm not expecting to win, and I'm not expected to lose, but I'm expected to at least try. Like on Stampy's one. Okay, I think I tried to start my recording, yeah, and then I wasn't starting it. They started doing running to get all the stuff, so I think I'm gonna lose. That's the bad advantage I have. Okay, more like I am gonna lose no matter what. Okay, because I barely have anything. I'll go in the sandcastle. No, I'm just gonna say no one's been in the sandcastle yet. Wait, did I just see a person? I think I just saw someone. Yeah, I think the great part of this so far is my golden apple, I've got to say. The main advantage I have, the golden apple. Oh, there's a stupid chest over there. I need this chest. No, it's looted. There's nothing, nowhere else. Everyone's looted everything. Ooh, maybe except this. Oh, poop. Okay, there's nothing else to get. Oh, yes. Give me all your stuff. Oh, another golden apple. Hey, you're not in the fight. Oh, yes. Yes. Let's have a cake. Yeah. This is epic. I won the Hunger Games. I won the Hunger Games. Mama, mew, mew, mama. I won the Hunger Games. Yes! I'm gonna kill everyone. Just go on a last hunt. Are you serious? Okay, I think I might be back for another round. If I'm not, I'll end the video here. So I'll be back in a minute just to check if there's another round. As I'm back and we're having another round. So I'm gonna try and get good stuff this time. Well, even though last time I won, that still doesn't mean anything. There's chances of me losing. Okay, I'm doing quite good. Gotta say it. I wasn't late starting this time. I was actually the first to jump down, as you saw there. Or someone else might have been down there. Well, he teleported us at the top. People always do that. Well, the hosts do, at least. Cookies. Okay, we're doing good. Except we don't have a weapon. I'm gonna get up there. Okay, wooden sword. Good enough. Oh, so close. I only have one ender pearl left. I'm not wasting my golden apple. Run, 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 run. Okay, let's kill this guy. Oh, we can't kill players yet. Can't attack players, I mean. Oh, that is terrible. Gonna come after me even though we can't attack players. Is there anything around here? I'd expect something to be here now. Okay. And oh, wait a minute. Could be good stuff here and inside the mushrooms. Didn't think of that. Oh, poop. He's running for his life. The thing that he doesn't know. You win all day. I win. Again. So I guess I'm a Hunger Games master now. I'm the man of the century. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this epic Hunger Games. So yes, hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.